All right, if you have a GE washer, and it doesn't matter if it's top loaded or bottom loaded, and the lock is stuck, as you can see here, I can't open it. First of all, you definitely don't want to force it with a screwdriver or open it, or you will break the locking mechanism, so that would be your last resort, and then just expect that you would have to replace the lock. Now, there's a few things that you can do if it's locked. So as you can see right now, it says lid locked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on pause, and now it's blinking, and I'm going to hold that for at least 3 minutes, and a lot of times that will force it to unlock. Press unpause, give it another 3 minutes, and see if that will do the trick. A lot of times that will work. Now, if you've tried that, it doesn't work, what you need to do is unplug it. If you got long arms, see if you can reach in and unplug it from the wall. You might have to get a step stool to reach in. Worst case scenario is you have to pull it back and unplug it. And what I want you to do is keep it unplugged for 10 minutes and then plug it back in, and then give it another 5 minutes and see if this doesn't automatically unlock. All right, if it doesn't, what I want you to do is force it to unlock by actually moving your dial or the digital buttons to drain and spin mode. And I want you to keep it here, and if we can get it back on drain and spin, a lot of times that will automatically unlock it. I'm pretty confident the unplugging will actually work for you, regardless if it's a top or bottom loader. Now, the last resort on the bottom loader, if you do have a bottom loader, usually on the bottom, that's where the filter is, and it's a little compartment that you can pull out. There's going to be like a little gray handle. It's either gray or black, and you could actually pull on that, and that will forcefully remove the lock by just pulling on that that little lever, and then do your business, and then see if that will work. All right, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.